in this legendary room full of soul and sweet empathy. Welcome to the sing-song of the century.
I always wanted to make people high without drinking drugs, you know. Make people forget whatever's going on in their lives.
Greetings, my friends. How is this?
Believe me, I've been at a place in my life where I never thought it was possible to even have a date clean.
All the mayhem, the ducking, the diving.
I've lost so many friends, I've been in so many close altercations with things. And I think, how am I still here, you know?
There's so much trauma out there, you know. Music can help and heal this trauma.
If you feel it bad, you're not on your own tonight. Please don't be so sad.
There's an awful lot of mental angst in young people that we don't quite understand.
I suppose I kind of found something to take away reality, because I couldn't live in reality anymore.
If I hadn't found the singing and the music, I don't know where they'd be. I might not be good. The music was never about fame or making loads of money or the big house on the hill, you know. It was healing me, and that seemed to spread out to other people. Sort of realised that I have a role. I found my role in the tribe.